Have you ever posted a video and then felt that immediate urge to check your stats? Like right away, you start looking at the numbers. Yes, today I am challenging you not to give in to that urge. This is very important. Okay, as creators, we've all been there. You see, you hit that publish button and suddenly your heart starts racing. Will anyone watch it? Will they like it? Is it going to blow up? How would it do? Before you know it, you are glued to your screen. You keep refreshing the page over and over again, waiting for that hit, waiting for the views to climb, waiting for the likes to grow. This happens to every creator, but this is something you should not do. So here is the thing. Checking your statistics immediately after posting is one of the worst habits we can get into. Yes, what if I told you that obsessing over those numbers right after you post would hurt, in fact could actually hurt your creativity and mental health in ways you might not expect? And here is the kicker: doing this does not even help your view perform better, right? Most times you'd stay and you'd keep looking at the numbers and the views do not even move up. So in fact, it can lead you down a spiral of self-doubt, negative self-talk, and even burnout. You start thinking, oh, I should have done this, I didn't do this well, the video is not perfect, and all of that. I'm sure this sounds familiar to you. See, let me tell you, I have been guilty of this too. Okay, I'll hit that publish button and within minutes I'll start second guessing everything, refreshing my analytics, over analyzing the views, wondering if my content was even worth it. I'll start thinking, what if no one cares? What if it's not good enough? What if I didn't do this well? What if I didn't do that well? And that is a dangerous place to be. Trust me. What's crazy is how quickly that need for validation can creep in. Okay, we start scrolling through the comments, hoping for praise, hoping for people to comment that, oh, I love your videos, oh, this was very helpful, oh, this was very valuable. But what happens when the feedback isn't instant? Okay, it's not the response we are expecting, or in fact it doesn't come immediately, or it takes a long period of time to happen. This disappointment kicks in and suddenly you become drained. Okay, if you were once proud of creating content, you become less enthusiastic. Your joy is diminished. Okay, but here's something I've learned, and it's a game changer. You should focus on why we post. Okay, why we post should matter more than the numbers that come afterward. Instead of chasing instant gratification, what if we focus on why we are creating in the first place? So what's the better strategy? Instead of checking your stats, looking at your YouTube studio obsessively, here is what you can do. Focus on patience and perspective. Yes, I try to remind myself why I created this content in the first place. What value am I delivering? How could it help someone? Even if it is just one person, was it helpful to that person? Focusing on that would help you remain productive, and over time you'd reach that goal of monetization that you are looking forward to. Shifting focus from immediate results to long-term impact, it completely changes the game for me. Yes, so I found that when I'm not fixated on the numbers, my creativity flows better. I take more risk, and ironically that's when I start seeing the real results. So you'll be surprised how much letting go of that initial urge can actually improve the quality of your content and your mental well-being. So at the end of the day, it's about understanding that content creation is a marathon and not a sprint. Yeah, the likes, the views, they will come, but obsessing over them won't speed up that process. What would make a difference is creating content from a place of passion and purpose, and when you are clear on why, everything else falls into place. So next time you hit publish, resist Resist the temptation and the urge to refresh, and trust that your work will resonate in its own time. Okay, now I want to hear from you. What's a habit you have struggled with after posting content, and how are you working to break it? Drop a comment below, and if you are looking for more tips on navigating the world of content creation, check out my video. So my next video will be on 10 essential tips for new YouTubers. You do not want to miss it, so turn on your post notification bells so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, patience and perspective are the secret weapon.